Hi guys, Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to use our strawberry cheesecake lip balm kit. Let's whip it up! Okay, so today we're going to be making our strawberry cheesecake lip balm kit. And first of all, we're going to look at all of the ingredients that come with the kit. Okay, so first we have, of course, our lip balm pots. These are 6 milliliter clear pots. They can vary as far as whether it's a clear lid or a black lid, white lid. They vary from time to time. Sometimes we change it up. It also includes all the ingredients that you need to make it, with the exception of a few items. But with the kit, we have our shea butter. We have the beeswax, the white beeswax. The cocoa butter, golden natural, if I can get that little one, there it is. And then we have some coconut oil 76. We have our red lip balm tint, or our Diva Red lip balm tint. Then we have our vitamin E oil. Of course, we have the strawberry cheesecake flavoring, which is super yummy. Then we have our powdered stevia to sweeten the lip balm. In addition, we have disposable pipettes, which is going to help you transfer the fluid lip balm into the little jars. All right. The additional items that we need, one, we have a pot here filled with about 3 inches of water. We're going to use this to create our double boiler. So then we have a pot to melt our oils in, and our butters, and our wax. Then we have a mixing spoon, a scale, and then I just have this mat here to protect my surface. So totally optional though. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this stevia and we're going to put it into a disposable tea bag, which is also included in the kit. The reason we're doing this is because sometimes the stevia can have some thicker chunks, and because the stevia simply disperses in your lip balm, you can end up with some more coarse chunks in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it into a tea bag and we're going to put it right in with our oils once we get everything measured out and everything. So we'll simply pour this into our tea bag and then we'll just tie it off. Now that we have that ready, we'll go ahead and grab our pot to melt our oils and our butters in, and we'll get them weighed out. Now, these are pre-measured, but we do give you a few extra grams just so in case you spill or anything like that. So we do recommend weighing them out, and you can find your amounts right here in your recipe. It will give you step-by-step instructions so you'll know exactly what to do. So first we have our coconut oil 76. This will come to you in probably a solid state. Coconut oil 76 has a 76-degree melting point, so it will probably be solid. I took and heated it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. The amount of time that you'll need to heat it will depend on your microwave. You can also put it in a little cup of warm water to allow the coconut oil to melt. So we will go ahead and start there. All right, so we have the coconut oil, and now we're just adding the white beeswax. Next, we have the cocoa butter golden natural. And finally, the shea butter. and of course the vitamin E. Now we're going to take these ingredients and melt them using our double boiler. We're using a double boiler so that we don't scorch the oils and the butters as they're melting. We're going to add our tea bag with the stevia. Now we just simply wait for them to melt, and as they're melting, we're going to stir occasionally. Okay, so now that our lip balm ingredients are all melted, we're going to go ahead and remove them from the heat. Now we're going to remove the tea bag with the stevia in it, and we're just going to kind of wring it out. And now we're just going to add in our flavoring. And give it a stir. After we have the flavoring mixed in, we're going to use our disposable pipettes to fill each of these jars, and we're going to leave about 1/8 of an inch so that we can come back in with a red glaze to make it look like a strawberry cheesecake. So we'll use a disposable pipette and just begin filling each of the lip balm container. Okay, so now we're going to let our cheesecake layer set up, and then we'll come back in and put a red layer on top to create a strawberry glaze for the lip balm. And now that we have remelted our oils, we're going to go ahead and add our, there it is, our Diva Red lip tint to give our lip balm a red color. Now this isn't going to color your lips per se like a lipstick would. It's just going to add a tint to it. So it'll just give your lips a slight tint. And now we're just going to top each of the lip balms with some of the red. Okay, so once our lip balms have finished setting up, you just need to put a lid on them and they are ready to use. You can use them right away. Making the strawberry cheesecake lip balm kit is that easy. Now make sure that you subscribe to our channel and like the video, comment below. And for even more fragrance fun ideas or starter kits, check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.